Oh shit! What would possess someone to put a Tenere 700 in the bed of a pickup truck? Well, I think the real question is what would possess someone to want to go riding when it is 29 degrees out? And the answer to that is actually pretty simple. I just absolutely love riding my Tenere. I cannot get enough trail riding, and since it's what, like almost middle of December here and we don't have any snow, we're gonna go out and enjoy some trails and some beautiful Wisconsin woods. So as soon as we get this out and hopefully don't drop it, then we'll hit the trails and we'll make some dust. Look at that thing. Pretty nifty.
Sorry about the wait. Go ahead with the order when you're ready.
That's all right, no problem. Can I get the $5 toasted cheddar chalupa box with Baja Blast and no ice? How many of you guys like Taco Bell? People either love it or hate it. Seems like that actually worked pretty darn well. Just got it around my Dirt Racks crash bars. We found some sand.
Yeah.
Oh, that feels good to be back on this. I think this has got to be the latest we've ever had adventure bikes on trails.
Frozen trails.
Yeah. Yeah, I took my little bike up here last year, probably around this time. There was actually snow on the ground. But I think this is definitely the latest I've ever ridden an adventure bike this far up north.
The ruts are totally frozen.
Yeah, this is super weird.
You get no mush out of them whatsoever.
I'm gonna sneak up to your left here.
Gotcha.
I don't know if it's just the suspension kind of loosening up or I'm kind of getting a little bit more used to it, but I am extremely surprised how nimble this bike is, especially being heavier than the KLR. I think it's just the way the suspension is set up and how nice that is. That actually maybe look like a better trail, but oh my gosh, I feel like I can already handle this way better than I ever could the KLR. This thing's a monster. This is kind of a neat trail.
Yeah. Looks like a war zone.
Yeah, it kind of does, doesn't it? The trees went to war with the logging company and they lost. Actually, I think this was mostly because of that storm that went through a couple years ago. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is definitely weird. Nothing better than frozen mud. Oh my gosh, there's a deep rut too. Yeah, there is no give to that at all. Oh yikes! Yeah, this is getting.
Oh, whoa.
You're still up? Okay.
I'm up. But I think I'm slowing down.
Yeah, this is. I think this is not a good idea.
No, it's different.
Yeah.
Gravel roads might be about it today.
Yeah, anywhere there was mud, I think we're gonna want to stay away from. Yeah, this is probably not worth doing. I don't think if that's gonna continue that way. I think we should hit that other trail.
It's like riding on really bumpy concrete.
It is, yeah.
That's exactly what it is. Oh God! It just grabs your tire and goes, ah!
Yep, you're going this way. Front end came off the ground. I don't know how that happened.
There's that.
Yeah. Yeah, I kept thinking that I just like really miss riding this bike, which of course I'm sure is true, but I think the reason that I'm enjoying this so much today is because of the exhaust.
Because what?
Because of the my exhaust. I can actually hear it.
Okay. Oh, got it, man. I gotta stand up.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
There's a adventure riding thing called Rawhide. Have you ever watched that?
It sounds familiar, but I don't think I've seen it.
Yeah, they give lessons on riding adventure bikes.
It's a YouTube channel or what? Or it's a TV show?
YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Mostly what they say is ride slow. Ride slow, stand up.
Uh-oh. I think we might have a bit of a problem here. I think we can get around it.
Bring your jig pole?
Looks like somebody crashed through it.
Yeah, maybe at night after a couple drinks.
Yeah, probably. Well, I think that's the end of our trail, huh?
Oh, no.
Yeah, that was a nice one, too. Oh, wait, maybe I spoke too soon. Yep, more trail. Yeah, if anything, I'm almost too warm.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, this HWK gear is definitely good for cold weather, that's for sure. Not so good for warm weather, but I am very comfortable. I really thought I was going to need my snowmobile gear, but no, this does pretty well. Granted, I do have 2 sweatshirts on underneath it.
I got my PJs. I got up late.
Yeah, I do have long underwear on. I suppose I should mention that.
But I didn't.
Ooh, this looks like not fun. Not too bad.
Well, you made it up there, but I'm not going to try.
Yeah, that's the Motaz tires. I had people asking about those. I got linked down in the description for them. I got them through Pacific Power Sports, so check out for the link for that. This doesn't look like much fun. That wasn't so bad. Did you see where I went there or not?
No, I've got my own problems.
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh. Where did you go?
I don't know which one you're at.
Oh, I see where you went. Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know what?
What you doing?
I was gonna take a break from my hands and go to the bathroom.
Oh.
Let's see what your camera says. You're getting low. While we were stopped here resting our hands, we were noticing the difference in the, what is this? Hide Now K60?
K60s.
Yeah, difference between that and the Motaz Tractionator. And I think you can probably tell which one sheds the mud a little bit better. Either that or you're just hitting all the mud holes.
Yeah, that's true too, but yeah, I'm basically on a 450-pound off-road tire with a front slick on it right now.
Yeah.
ABS.
Oh yeah, I gotta turn mine off too. Let's see who does it faster.
Yeah, no shit.
I win.
But I'm sure you did. Someday I should. Oh, there it is, man. All right.
Those are some nice goggles. Where'd you get those?
I don't know.
You tell me.
I think Ben got them. Ben Jammin got them for me.
You sure did.
Yeah. It was too good to be true for 300 feet. You think we'll break through?
I have no idea.
Do you want to go?
Oh, jeez. I don't know.
It looks pretty thick, really.
Okay.
Looks pretty slippery, too.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about.
Oh. Oh, my God.
Oh, jeez. Well. Front tire doesn't slow you down very much. I sure wish I could touch the ground.
I'm walking. I don't care.
Yeah, I'd love to do that. I can't even get my both toes in the ground.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh my God. Yeah, we should turn around.
Think so?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I gotta find a place first.
Yeah, I mean, I guess unless that's gonna get any better. I mean, I suppose you could just take it nice and slow too.
Okay.
But did you make it through this rut, or what did you do?
Rut.
The deep one?
You'd have to watch the video.
Yeah, I suppose I will.
Yeah, I did.
I'm coming.
Take your time. I didn't want to scratch that new motorcycle.
Well, it's already been down once, so.
Are you putting marks on the side of your gas tank?
I did not, no.
Yeah, you should do that. I mean, you know, like they did World War II with the fighters.
Yeah, the nice thing about this is you can really get on the side of a pretty steep rut, and it'll actually still grab.
Does it seem like we're going back to the road?
I think we are.
Good.
I'm hoping.
Yeah. Woo! These ruts are just kicking my... But I gotta stand up. That would help.
Indeed.
Yeah, God almighty. I gotta look straight ahead more. Just forget about it. The other thing that said on that rawhide thing was let your tire kind of go by itself and don't worry about it too much.
Yeah, as long as you're keeping the bike upright, I think that's obviously the important part. You got to worry less about picking a line.
Well, good Lord, we're out.
Yeah, it's looking that way, huh? Yeah. Jeez, I am sweaty now.
My arms are tired.
I could lose a layer. Yeah, I bet.
People on the channel probably think, what the hell? Why would their arms be tired?
Yeah, it is a total different thing when you got the frozen mud versus the slippery. I mean, slippery mud is its own, has its own problems, but hard mud like this, boy, is that a weird thing. And if you got used to it, it might not be that bad, but oh my gosh, it is. I don't know. You gotta constantly tell yourself that it is not going to give.
Yeah, everything's like counterintuitive or whatever you want to say. Everything you do. Somebody already broke this for us. Okay, I'm leaving. Get all sorts of experience today.
Yeah.
Hopefully I'll never have to use again. A little dirt like this would be absolutely nothing.
Yeah, definitely.
You just creep through here like...
Yeah, you got a lot of mass to manage with these.
Well, that wasn't bad while it lasted. Ah!
Oh shit!
Are you down?
I am.
Oh, you okay? What happened?
Oh.
My legs are too cold to run. Not really super cold, but maybe I'm just too old. Oh, and he's up already anyway.
Crash bar definitely helped me out there. That would not have been good to not have those. I don't know if I bent my bars at all or not, but Bark Busters saved my clutch lever, and I don't know if my exhaust got even touched. I think it ended up in the rut. Yeah, smashed my fender into the ground too.
Look at this stuff.
Well, it still seems attached. Yeah. Ridiculous.
Here we go.
Helps if it's in neutral.
Yeah. You want to put it in neutral?
No, I got the clutch in.
You can ride it from here? Oh.
No, let's get it out.
Oh, no, he's gun shy.
I just had enough ruts.
He's going to want to push it all the way out to the truck.
No.
Okay.
I think my foot still feels okay.
Whoa! Hey, there's a road. Hey, this is a trail we looked out and said no way.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh no, that means we're gonna go through that ice rink, don't we?
Yeah. How funny is that? Oh,
yeah, it sure is.
We're not going down there. You're gonna go to the right, aren't you?
Me? I can't see what you're doing yet.
Oh, I'm going right over the middle of the puddle.
No. All right.
I should have ice skates on. Wouldn't it be funny if it was about 4 feet deep and I break through?
No, not at all.
It's really rough enough ice that it's not bad to drive across.
That is a good point, yeah.
I wouldn't want to try to turn on it, but...
Yeah, and don't touch the front brake.
No. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Good Lord. Yeah, hang on. I tell you to hang on loosely, but my hands are so tired right now. And you don't have to do that.
No, you definitely don't. It makes it way worse, but it's hard not to.
Yeah, now the mud's out of there. Did I tell you I'm going to back charge you for the stable I'm burning through today? Why do you think I have stable in here, Ben?
I don't know. You put it in too early, I guess.
Yeah, I guess I put it in too early. That's okay. They make it every day. Woo! 55 and holy crap, on the dirt in like 3 seconds.
I'm on your left.
Okay.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah. Interesting.
It was.
Yeah.
Ooh, you know what we should do? Have you ride this and tell us what you think. You want to try it?
Sure.
Okay, then we will end this video. So guys, I guess there will be one more video. Be on the lookout next time. You'll get Jerry's thoughts on the Tenere. Thanks for watching this one. Take care, stay safe, and stay swanky. Let's find a good spot so we don't get ran over by some intoxicated hunters. It's probably as good a spot as any.